Ranger Keith, what sort of trees are these with the lighter green leaf?
Those ones are coolabahs.
Oh, under the shade of a coolabah. Jeez.
That's them. You can tell because they've got their branches have actually got just quite white. There's not that much bark. The upper bark is further down.
Gotcha.
Don't make me cry. You should be picking me up.
Couple of little roos around.
Yeah, they're a bit hungry.
I got the first one.
I think they're just bloody hungry. They're not exactly growing out at the moment.
You're not right. Now that you're not
hotel on the way back.
Station, Alicia speaking.
Alicia, it's Ross speaking. Is Tim around at all?
No, sorry, he's not here at the moment. He's out in one of the paddocks, so he won't get any service.
Oh, that's all right. Look, I'm just letting him know. Can you let him know that Ross called? I spoke to him last week and we're heading over to Lake Hope tomorrow.
Yep, all good. I can let him know that you called.
And have you got a number for Ephedema station at all for me?
I wouldn't know. I'm his niece. I just heard the phone ring.
Oh, okay. No worries. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All I need's a little sign to get behind the sun and cast his way. All I need's a place to find, and there I'll celebrate. Something to give, something to give. All now, there's something to do. All now, there's something to do. All now, there's something to live.
Go back to that dam. Just get on the leeward side of the dam. Yep, let's do it.
How
Angus. So we started off in shorthorns like 110 years ago, and then about 4 years ago we shifted from shorthorns to the Santa Gertrudis, and we bred them across so we could keep that big frame. Like we're quite deliberate in how we actually did it. A bit like what you're talking about with Hamish and the 5 generations. We've actually done the same thing with shorthorns and with Boss Indicas and with Angus.
Yeah.
So we've actually had our core herd and we've gradually crossed so we can keep all those traits that we wanted and that we've been breeding. So the idea is to try and continue to keep those traits.
This is back Sajuri.
Turn it up.
Following you everywhere. Some people like to show, some people like to watch, and I watch a bit too much, but you show too much.
Ce n'est pas mon problème, je ne suis pas ton chien. Ce n'est pas mon problème, je ne suis pas ton chien.
always take the trailer off and put the boat in, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It literally looks like it's the first bit of water you've gone to, and you've deviated about 200 metres up and across there. Yeah, that's where we are. But it's very close to the Cooper, by the way. We can't get the boat out at the moment. Yeah, mate, the boat is just waiting after the tree. What we're going to do is, in the morning, there's a tree about 10 metres out and inside the lake, so we're going to pull it to get it out of the trailer. Like, we can almost get it, but not quite. That thing's coming out. Then, mate, we'll set off for a few days then up the Cooper.
So they started in Lake Hope. Where have they ended up now?
They're still in Lake Hope, and they've made some sort of sailing device. So they're sailing in the canoe with the wind up the way.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
And tonight they're taking the boats out. They're paddling for 3 hours while there's no wind. Yeah, and full moon, I think.
Moving or just going for a paddle?
No, they're trying to get to the mouth of the lake, to the inlet.